Assalamu alaikum. So I have been working on my third SaaS called Klipse, right? And I have already deployed it, but I have disabled the registration for now. I'm the only user on it, for AI purposes and all those, so that I do not get rate limited quickly for testing purposes and all those reasons. Yeah, I will soon open it to registration for other users as well, but for now I am only testing it for myself. So the idea behind this project is, this called, a user enters a niche for any YouTube. For now, I have only implemented YouTube. So a user enters any niche for any YouTube channel, and this product will automate the entire content creation for it and deploy reel-based videos on the YouTube user connected YouTube channel, right? So this product will automatically generate a script, media, and shadow, and behind the scene automatically, generate entire video, a reel-based video, and schedule it for the publication as well. It will be scheduled and not immediately, published right after the generation, right? There is a reason behind it. I personally chose this reason. I personally chose this feature. So the product is live, not yet open to registration for other users. The registration is disabled. I have the reason. So let's get into the code base. This is the code base. I have chosen 10 stack start for the entire web application, and a third party simple Hono API endpoint for the processing the entire script generation and media generation, all those to combine. Just a custom just a custom processor to embed all those scripts and media and all the things needed. I call it processor in my application. So the code is over here. External video processor. It's deployed on Google Cloud Run functions. They are free, basically free for some certain limits. So I have deployed this processor over there, and this is some shared types shared by my web application and the processor. So this is actually monorepo. Yeah,